Hello dear viewers all around the world and wherever you are watching me from. I am SimplyHired. Today with this video, I want to show you 16 websites where you can apply for a remote job. I mean high paying jobs. Jobs we can apply whereby they can pay you something like $10 per hour, $15 per hour, $50 per hour. It all depends on your location and many other factors that may warrant it. So all I need from you is just your full attention to watch this video from the very beginning to the end. Do not skip it, because at times while I'm training you, I will have some information. I will just pass it. If you're very new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like this video and leave your comment. So let me quickly walk you through my screen now and show you this thing. The moment you watch this video finish, practice it, and I wish you best of. Don't forget to drop comment here when you applied and what is your experience with it, and if you have anything to give me as tip to compensate why you get a job, I will be happy to receive. Thank you. Let's go there now. Hello dear viewers all around the world and wherever you're watching me from. I am SimplyHired. Today in my YouTube channel, guys, I want to show you opportunity of a top, or let me say best website to apply for remote job. I'm talking about high paying jobs. Wherever you are, wherever you're watching me from, where you can apply for remote jobs, high paying remote jobs. So before I start this, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like on this video and drop your comments. And you can check my past videos in my YouTube channel. You can see that there are many value here that can help your life. After watching this video, you can just come back here and search through. Also my live videos, you can check through and see many valuable contents here, guys. All right, without wasting much of our time, I believe you are subscribed, and for those people that have been subscribing before, I really appreciate you guys. All right, let's move to the business of the day on our best website you can apply for the international remote jobs. I'm talking about high paying jobs, guys. So on my list today, and before I go further on this, don't forget the link of this website. I will drop it in the comment box so that maybe you can, through the link, you can easily apply for this. But I need you to give me your time, full attention, avoid any form of distraction. Everyone have interest in working in US, working in Canada, working in Europe country, and so on. With this one, and where you are watching me from, either from Ghana, from Nigeria, from Cameroon, from Sierra Leone, from anywhere, you can work virtually in top countries and they will pay you. They will pay you in dollars. They will pay in dollars. I'm still going to explain this further. So I think I've explained in the introduction also. I've explained the introduction. So without wasting much of our time now, let me just walk you through this. The very first thing you have to do, please ensure you have account with LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the first thing you have to do. You need to have account with LinkedIn. So you just type linkedin.com. When you type linkedin.com, let me just show you. So this is linkedin.com. As you can see, find jobs through your community. From LinkedIn, you can get jobs. You can search for jobs. That is one of the places, or let me say website you can. But either you find job from here or not, it is very, very important for you to have LinkedIn account. Then brand your account, brand your profile very well, because most of these jobs, when you apply, they may request for this. Yes, there is tendency of them requesting for your LinkedIn account. They want to, your LinkedIn is just like your CV. Yes, they will see everything about your experience and everything they need to know about you. So ensure you have account with LinkedIn. That's the first thing for you to do. Let me check my own LinkedIn account. Let me just sign in. You can see I have account with them already. Let's do quick verification. So I don't have time with this now. All right, the next thing now, one of the top sites I want to give you can apply for. Okay, before I go further on this, because I still want to I want to enlighten you better about remote jobs, which means from your home where you are, you can work internationally. Then the first thing I do is I quickly go to Google and I ask Google, I said, what is the average money paid per hour for remote jobs? Look at the result I get from here. I said, look at this. How much do remote jobs pay in the US? So I quickly come here and say, this one said, as of October 2023, the average hourly pay for a remote in the United States is $30.44 US per hour. While Zip Recruiter is seeing hourly wages as high as $58.65 and as low as $16.35. The majority of remote wages currently ranges between $19.95 to $29.81 US across the United States. Then I still quickly go to ChatGPT. I ask, what is the average money paid per hour for remote jobs? They say The average hourly rate for remote jobs can vary widely depending on the factors such as the type of jobs, industry, location, level of experience, and specific skills required. Remote job salaries can be influenced by the same factors as traditional in-person position. As of my last knowledge update in early 2020, remote job salaries often fall within the range of $15 to $75 or more per hour. Can you imagine? However, it's essential to know that some highly specialized role or senior position may command even higher hourly rates. Additionally, the average wages for remote jobs can differ significantly by country and region due to variations in the cost of living. Remote workers in countries with a higher cost of living may typically earn higher hourly rates compared to those in the lower cost area. So let me leave the rest. Now let's target this one alone. Let's say we are getting $15 per hour. Just forget about $75, $50 per hour. Let's say here in Nigeria now, you were able to get a remote job. Out of the 16 websites I want to give you now, you applied, and fortunately enough for you, were able to get one. And they said they want to be paying you $15 per hour. You can imagine how much you will make within a day, within a month, and within a year. How much will you make? As of now, the conversion rate of $1 to Naira in Nigeria now, I think is 1,000 Naira plus. So this is what I want to use to open your eyes to this opportunity, that don't just take it with levity hands. I'm going to walk you through and give you some information about this. All I want for you is good thing. And meanwhile, for you to withdraw your money, they will either pay you through paper or pay maybe if you have a account with a US bank account. I'm still going to explain this further, or let me just brief you with this. You can have US account if you can open Pioneer account. Yes, through Pioneer account, you can have some bank account automatically. You can have bank account with some community bank in US, just like me. I have. So I think I will make a video on that. If you want me to make a video on that, please drop it in the comment box. How to use Pioneer how to open Pioneer accounts so that you can able to have your bank account in US. Alright, so let's go further on this. Then another method of getting this, if you have someone in US, yes, you can use that person's account to be cashing out. So it's still the same. Alright, the first on my list today is FlexJobs. FlexJobs.com. Don't worry, I'll drop it in the comment box. I'll put it somewhere for you to go and access those things. FlexJobs.com. All you have to do with this one now, just check through FlexJobs.com. See, enter keyword or title to find remote jobs. That's all. Work from anywhere in US, work from anywhere in the world, browse jobs just by location, job category. You can see. So from here now, look at this now. So from here now, you can apply virtual assistants. You can type virtual assistant, search, you will see jobs. So this is how to do that. And for you to connect now, they have contacts. Yes, they have contacts. You can get in touch with them, sign up and find your next remote job. Okay, you have to sign up with them first, sign up so that you're able to connect with them. Most time they have contact. Every website have contacts. You see contacts, just contact, apply, fill the form and apply for the job. All right, this is the first on my list, that's FlexJobs. The second in my list here for today is a liveworld.com, full service digital agency with deep technology expertise. All right, select your path. Healthcare, more industry. If you go for healthcare, that does not mean that maybe you should have health work experience or something like that. When we are talking about health section, we have engineering section, we have every department there. So it's not all about a field. Every field have many subcategory field that have to cover with many other field also. So there are some jobs you can do. Even if it's not listed, you can also tell them what you can do. They will find a way to fix you guys. All right. So you can click on healthcare now. So from healthcare now, you can just search through. There should be where to contact them. See our jobs. So you see contact. Let's talk. You need to contact them or come here and click on contact. So good. Now you can see what I'm talking about here now. First name, last name, so. Then how can we help you? They put everything here. Then send. That's all. Or you can go to their email address. You can mail them. It's allowed. Then the next on my list here for today is SimplyHired.com. jobs.com. This one is even so straightforward for you to search for your job. One search, millions of jobs. Job title, skills or company, you can put it here. City, state, zip or remote. So just put remote and search for the jobs near you. You see here now, browse all jobs, all salaries, all cities, all companies. Stay contacted, contact us. You can contact them here. Before you can contact them, please take your time to check through their website so that you can see job you are fitting for, so that when you are applying, you can also make reference to that, or let it come from them to recommend anything for you. All right, if you are lucky enough and your application is approved, man, you are in morning, guys. All right, the next one in my list is SutherlandGlobal.com. SutherlandGlobal.com. We make digital human. Look at this also. You can check through, apply for jobs here, and get in touch with them. This contact us page. All right, then the next in my list here is crossover.com. So just check through for job seekers, remote jobs. Think you've got what it takes to qualify for the best paying remote jobs in the world. So you can see now, applying for a role, here is what to expect. Explore job roles. Find a full-time remote job matching your skill set. So just take your time, guys. Take your time. Look at it. I think I'm seeing something here. $100,000 per year. You can see. So these are for engineering, things like that. I think I searched for this thing yesterday. There are some jobs also that you can apply for. $150,000 per year, $150,000 per year. So and so on like that. Just check through. And you can come down to the downside, then look for popular job role. You can search for jobs here. Take jobs, many like that. Remote channel sales job. There are many. Just take your time to search through, guys. Okay, take your time to search through. They are putting salary here. If you know you don't see the one that you're fitting for here, you can apply. Tell them what you can do. Just tell them what you can do and see. Let me tell you something. If you want to apply, I still want to bust your brain with it. That's why I say don't skip, because at times while I'm explaining things, some information will just come to my head to give you. When you are, let's say you want to contact these people now and to apply now, ways to contact them. Let's say you want to contact with these people now to apply, or what to write about. You can easily come to ChatGPT. Type ChatGPT. Let me click on new now and say, hello ChatGPT, can you please help me to write a letter to apply for remote job online? I just put my own here. You may take your time to ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT will still ask me some things, or okay, see the format giving me now. See their, of course I can help you with that. Here's the template for a letter to apply for a remote job online. Remember to customize it with your specific details and qualifications. You can imagine your name, your address, zip code, city, state zip code, your email, your phone number, date, employee's name, company address, whatever. So see, then here you put employer's name. I am writing to express my strong interest in you put position name here. Position at, put company name here, comma. Don't put bracket. They just put it here for you to know where to edit. That's why they just bracket some of these things. As advertised on, you see now, so with a background and so. See, that's just to arrange everything. See how they draft it for you. Don't play, man. All right, one got to know. I'm just giving you hints on what to use to apply. So that when you apply, they will not see you like this one. How this one is even writing. They will, so that there are some people when they write, you don't know how to compose right. When you just write, they may feel discouraged and be tired of reading your application or reading your application. But when ChatGPT help you to draft it formally, no way they will be reading. They will have interest to even this person really sound. You understand? All right. So let's move on. Where are we now? We have passed this one. The next one, we have passed this one. Sutherland, we have passed this one. Crossover, I've explained crossover. The next one is authenticjobs.com. Please do not just navigate, because while I'm training you now, there are some information that will just come to my head. I will just deliver it for you. So don't assume that he said that he will drop the link in the description box. Why am I still watching the video? I need to go and take it. No, there are many valuable contents while I'm explaining. It may just come. I don't plan it. I will just give you. Right? Please, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, what you can do to compensate my time is, and value giving you, is just to subscribe, give me like on this video. Just watch, like, comment. All right, thank you for doing so, guys. So let's move on. The third one, is it third or fourth? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 one on my list is authenticjobs.com. Also here, put the keyword here, location, category. See, artificial intelligence, backend engineering, copywriting, customer support, design, front-end engineering, marketing, operations, product management, sales. So if you see that you don't see where you fit in for perfectly, you can mail them. Apply, then mail them. Check their email, mail them, let them know what you can do, why they need to consider you. So remote job, find what? So you can put remote jobs, freelance jobs, full-time jobs, anyhow you say. Then if you want to contact them, see, contact us. Click on contact us now. Possibly you may see their email address also. You apply, then you still see their email address. See, you apply here. When applied, you see email address also here. You put their email address there. If you are mailing them now, it's just like what ChatGPT give us. You see mailing address. You can copy email address. See, oh, where is it safe? All right, address now. Company ad, you can use it to fill. So let's move on now. Am I making sense to you guys? Please drop it in the comment box. Am I making sense? Am I making sense? All right, the next one on our list now is PowerToFly.com. PowerToFly.com is also, you can also apply here. PowerToFly.com. You can chat with them also here. Make inquiry about anything. Are you interested in enhancing your career as a community member or joining as an employer? So employer, you can put them just so that you can chat with them. Their customer support will respond to you, right? So monthly virtual job fairs. So when you're applying, don't forget the keyword virtual job. That's what you want to apply for, virtual job. So they will find any virtual job you are fitting for. All right, let's move to the next one from here. The next one is remote.co. Remote.co. See keyword, search for the job. That's all. Virtual assistant. They have helped you. They have helped you put it here for you. Virtual assistant. Let me see. Virtual assistant job. Apply any of this. Let's move on, guys. The next one is just remote. Just remote.co. Not .com. .co. Right? Remote jobs that fit your life. So put it here. Oh, sorry. Remote job. Power search. So anyone you want to search for here. Remote jobs. Power. Discover hidden remote jobs. You can also click here. Just see now all business, something, customer support, service, and so on like that. So you can see now. Then the next one I want to show you here now is this one in my list called virtual vocations. So see virtual vocations, the same thing. You can search for it. See proofreader jobs, book, see everything. You see now, and so on. Why the next one here is called Pangian.com. Pangian.com. So post a job, find a job. And another one here is WeWorkRemotely.com. WeWorkRemotely.com. WeWorkRemotely.com also is part of it. And this also Remotive.com. So it's here. Search, you see, 2,000 remote jobs. You can also put from this one, you can search from these tags. So you're able to get what you're looking for. The next one here is RemoteOK.com. See, search for the job here and you get it. Why the next one here is Jobspresso.co. Jobspresso.co. And this one, Outsourcely.com. Outsourcely.com. So these are the website I have for you where you can apply for the remote job internationally, wherever you are watching this video from. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I still have more opportunity, more information to give you guys in order to make money online. Give me a like on this video, leave your comment, share this to your loved one, and don't forget to come back to my YouTube, search past video I've made in my YouTube channel. I believe you enjoy this video, you like this content. Do you have interest in blogging? If you have interest in blogging, I have a video on it, a step-by-step guide video on it, and this is the video. Go and watch it. Do you have interest in making money from YouTube? You don't know how to start, you don't know anybody to train you on it? Go and watch this video. Thank you. Bye.